welcome back to our channel. This is Our Blessed Life, and I'm Colleen, and this is Sophie and Katie, and we are going to be doing a back to school clean with me today. So we've got some closets that need to be organized so that we can get back to school full time on Monday. All right, so here we are in Sophie's closet. It is a bit of a mess right now, so what I'm trying to do is go through her clothes and just kind of see what fits, what doesn't fit, and what I'm gonna need to buy for fall to add to her wardrobe. I'll go ahead and show you kind of the mess we're dealing with. So she's got a fairly big size closet for a kid's room. There's Katie, she's gonna be my helper. And Sophie does like to come in here and read and play. And however, right now we've got a bit of a mess, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So here I'd asked Sophie to come in and clean up her toys that she had thrown in her closet, and so she took all the things that were in the floor and just stuffed them into her Barbie box while I had my back turned. So then I opened the box to see like where everything went and realized that she stuffed it in the box and made her go put it away. And I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. Here Sophie's a little bit sad because I gave her the thumbs down on the Minnie Mouse sweatshirt, which was a size 4 and was starting to get too short on her little belly. Here's Sophie's closet. So we put her little Jeep and her Barbie toys down there, her dirty clothes basket, and then over here we don't have anything on these shelves. We just kind of straighten her drawer. This drawer has bathing suits and like winter stuff. Then we have pajamas, underwear, and socks. This drawer has all of her pants and shorts and also skirts. This drawer has dance wear and tights and also like winter pajamas and little shorts that she wears under her church dresses. And then over here we went through all of her dresses and cleaned out the ones that don't fit. We straightened up the shelf up there. We got all the suitcases put together, went through all of her jackets and sweaters, and all of her shoes, and just straightened those up and got rid of the ones that don't fit anymore. And then we got her short sleeve shirts and long sleeve shirts to all fit over here. And then that's her little duffel bag that we use, and then a stack of shorts and leggings that are too big that she can't wear yet. And then just some other books that are probably too old for her are being stored up there. All right, this is Katie's closet. This is the before. This is what we're looking at dealing with. So we got a lot of stuff on the floor, a lot of shoes on the floor, and just stuff is on the shelf sort of, but not really nice and neat. I go through and get rid of things for her that doesn't fit, and then just straighten up and clean in here. A lot of dance stuff in here.
I can't believe someone like me is here with somebody like you. There's something about you and I know why. I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's in your smile and in your feet. It's high and low and in between. And I am glad to let you know, but only if you give me a kiss. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad. So perfect, when I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. That I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect. When we go out, it's always fun. You pick me up when I am down, and that's just one of many things that makes me believe that you're a dream. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect, from the way you laugh to the way you behave when you.
So we just finished organizing my closet, so now I'm going to give you the final reveal. I have my hats, wallets, bag on my closet shelves. I have shoes, shorts, active shorts, sweatpants, leggings, jeans. And right over here I have t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets. And up here I have short sleeve, nice shirts, and long sleeve shirts. Here I have extra hangers, my suitcase, my dance slip-on shoes is my dance bag, dresses, my onesie, and a thing that holds all of my scarves. Up here I have a small suitcase, a bin where I keep a few things from my childhood, and up here I have nowhere. And in these shelves right here I have like socks, dance clothes, PJs, stuff like that. This is my mirror in my closet that I have like some lights on it, and then I have my dirty clothes basket down here. And well, that is my closet. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We will see you next time. Bye. Love changes everything.